I don't feel so good. I've been suffering from my hiccups all the time. What could I do to scare Snoopy's hiccups? What's that over there? Come on, you beauty. Let's get you into the Blu-ray player. Snoopy. Yes, Carman? I've got a surprise for you. What is it? Well, watching you'll see. Okay. It can't be. You did this to me. Well, at least the hiccups are gone. That's it. Ow! That hurt. I don't care. I was just getting scared of all these hiccups. Tell you what, I'm just going to lay back and go back to sleep. What's up with that guy?